Now we will learn a new topic now, chromosomal inheritance. We have seen inheritance means what? Inheritance means the gene that is coming from one generation to next generation through nucleus, right? Not from cytoplasm, but here cytoplasm will play the most important role in cytoplasmic inheritance. Okay, in inheritance, and this when some cytoplasm will play the most important role. That's why it is called the cytoplasmic inheritance. Not from the nucleus the gene will come, it will come from the cytoplasm, and inheritance will maintain just because of this cytoplasm. So we know the two autonomous cell organelles means which have their own DNA and own ribosome, that are mitochondria and plastids. Okay, they present in cytoplasm. Mitochondria and plastid, they present in cytoplasm, and they have their own genetic material, DNA and ribosome. That's why they can replicate themselves. The DNA can replicate. Okay, and that's why these two are called the same autonomous cell organelles. Now what happened? You see, when we know there is an egg. This is the nucleus. We have already learned about fertilization process, and this is the sperm. So fertilization means the fusion of sperm and ovum nucleus. So fusion of sperm and ovum nucleus is called the fertilization. So now what will happen? You see, this egg and the sperm will fuse, their nucleus will fuse, right? And we know in sperm, in this tail region, very few cytoplasmic material is present. So in zygote, whatever the cytoplasmic material will come, that mostly from the mothers, means the egg, from the egg, right? So because in the egg we have learned, this is the in structure of egg, we have learned that in cytoplasm the yolk materials are there, right? Now so cytoplasm plus nucleus that is present in ova, but in sperm cell a very little cytoplasm present in the tail region. So when the fusion will take place and when the zygote will form, the maximum cytoplasmic material in this zygote will only come from the mothers, that is from the egg. So clear? So here cytoplasmic material only coming from the mother. Clear, na? So in cytoplasm, whatever the plastid will not present in animal cell, plastid is absent in animal cell. So mitochondria will come only from the mother cell. Okay, so mitochondrial DNA we will see in the zygote only from the mother. Now the next part. Here in cytoplasmic inheritance we will learn about 3 examples here. Okay, first the plastid inheritance. Plastid, and we know plastid only present only in plant cells. So we will take an example 4 o'clock plant, and which scientific name is Mirabilis jalpa. So plastid inheritance in Mirabilis jalpa. In Mirabilis jalpa we have seen that 3 types of branches. Okay, 3 different types color of branches. One is green, one is pale green, one is variated. Means different type of color we will see here. In green branches only the green color we will see. Why? Because chloroplast is present. Only chloroplast. We know there are 3 different types of plastid: chloroplast, leucoplast and chromoplast, right? Chloroplast only give the green color. Chromoplast give all the color except green. Like in brinjal we have seen the violet color, tomato or red color, different flowers are different in color. Why? Because of this chromoplast. Chloroplast only in green color it gives, and in leucoplast there is no pigment, it only stores the food. So in Mirabilis jalpa we see 3 kind of branches. One is green, one is pale green, one is variated. So in green, only the green branches, only the chloroplast is present. In pale green, we will see only leucoplast is present, and in variated, we will see chloroplast, leucoplast, and chromoplast. 3 different types of plastids are present. Okay. So now, what will happen? But I am taking one example. Suppose this is the mother's nucleus, mother's plant's mother's zygote. Okay, suppose this is the ovum, the ovule. We have learned in plant cell ovules are present. This is the nucleus, and in the cytoplasm chloroplast is present. Okay, so when it will fuse with the pollen grain, only in the male gamete only the nucleus is present, no cytoplasmic will come. So from the mothers, means from the ovule, only the chloroplast is coming only from the this ovule cytoplasm, not from the male pollen grain cytoplasm. Okay. So in ovule cytoplasm, the nucleus is chloroplast is present, that is coming in the zygote. Okay, in the zygote from the female gamete, not from the male gamete. Clear? So that's why we call it as a cytoplasmic inheritance, because in cytoplasm the chloroplast is present in female gamete and that is coming in the zygote. Okay, so that's why we call it the cytoplasmic inheritance. Now we will take some you see, this is one circle I have drawn to you will easily understand this thing. We have seen in Mirabilis jalapa there is 3 types of branches are present. One is green, variated and pale green. Okay, and the inner circle is the branch color present in female gamete, and the second circle, the blue one, you see, that is branch color present in male gamete. So the inner one, that is the branch color present in female gamete. This blue circle, branch color present in male gamete, and the next circle, in the next third circle, all the progenies, means all the offsprings are there. So you see it properly. In the female branch, in the female gamete, I have told you na, the innermost circle is the female. Green, variated and pale, 3 types of branches. And green female, when it's fertilized with the female gametes, in female this is the male, this is the female, the innermost circle is the female, and the second circle, the male gametes are present. So in the female gamete, green, when it fertilized with the male gamete, green, pale and variated, because male also have 3 gametes, female also have 3 gametes, male also have same 3 gametes. So when this green, this is female gamete, fuse with the male gamete, green, the resulting offspring will be green, because in mother cytoplasm the green chloroplast is present in the female gamete. So it will pass to the offspring, as I told you, from from male gamete it will not pass, because in the cytoplasm, the cytoplasm of the female gamete, the chloroplast is present, and it will directly go to the offspring, right? Because fathers in male gamete cytoplasm is very less, right? And same when the female green fertilized with the pale branch color male, the offspring will be again green, because in mother green chloroplast, in mother's chloroplast, the mother cytoplasm, the chloroplast is present, that's why it will come here. Again, green female gamete when fused with male variated gamete, the resulting offspring will be green. This is the offspring genotype I have written. This is the male, this is the female. Clear? Because in female gamete, in the cytoplasm, the chloroplast is present. This chloroplast will directly come in the offspring from cytoplasm, because from female cytoplasm will only go in the daughters or in the offspring progeny, Next, when female gamete is has pale branches and is fused with, this is the male, green pale variated. So female pale when cross with green male, the resulting offspring will be pale, because in pale branch colors female, in their cytoplasm only leucoplast is present. As I told you, you see pale green, only leucoplast is present, that will come only in the offspring, right? So that's all the offspring will be pale. When pale fuse with pale male, it also result pale, because from mother cytoplasm leucoplast is coming in offspring. Here also, when pale female branch cross with male variated branch, the resulting offspring will be pale, because in here female cytoplasm the leucoplast is present, that will come in the offspring. Now in the last one, that is the variated, we have seen in variated 3 types of chloroplast is present: chromoplast, chloroplast and leucoplast. 3 types of chloroplast is present. So when this female cross with male variated, there is a chance of producing 3 types of branches: green, pale, violet, variated. Here also, because we know now in mother cytoplasm there is 3 types of plastids are present. So in daughter also 3 types, in offspring also 3 types of plastid will present, and they will show different: green, pale, variated. Same thing when this mother's variated, this female gamete shows variated branch, in their cytoplasm both the three plastids are present: chloroplast, leucoplast and chromoplast. That's why it will also result 3 offspring, which is green, pale and variated. Variated with green, variated female with green. In mother cytoplasm both three leucoplastids are present. That's why in offspring we will see 3 types of branches: green, pale and variated. So this is a shortcut method we can understand. Through these, what are the different offspring will produce when male and female fuse. But it is totally depend on cytoplasmic material. In cytoplasm, whatever the plastid is present, that will coming in the all offspring, right? So this is the, in this way we can prove that cytoplasmic inheritance, because cytoplasm is the main thing that carries the plastids from female gamete. Clear?